Ever wondered how tiny creatures could wreak havoc in the marine world? Let's take a look into the secret lives of parasites and their hosts. Meet our unsuspecting host, the squid. It navigates the waters, unaware of the lurking danger. A young helminth worm parasite was floating in the ocean and caught sight of the squid. He enters the squid by hitching a ride on the squid's scales or slipping in through its gills. The parasite feeds on the nutrients in the squid's intestines. Helminth parasites can change behaviour patterns and damage organs in their host, hindering its growth. This reduces overall health and ability for the squid to reproduce. Some parasites even lay eggs, multiplying their numbers within their newfound home. Along comes a bigger fish, hungry for a meal. It devours our infected friend, unknowingly ingesting the parasites nestled within. And so the cycle continues. The infected fish becomes a tasty treat for a seabird, completing the parasite's journey up the food web. Within the seabird, the parasite reaches maturity, ready to lay its eggs and start the life cycle again. A study by Urusha Bennett dissected over 7,000 animals from the Otago Coastal Region, revealing a startling truth. 95% of fish and birds housed parasites. Also, 1/4 of invertebrates like cockles and shrimp also hosted parasites. On average, each fish carried 2 parasites. This study found consistent evidence of young helminth parasites in invertebrates, which are spineless animals, and adult helminth parasites in fish and birds. This evidence proves the theory that parasites are travelling up the food web, and reveals a link between animals in the Otago harbour. This age-related movement between hosts is an important discovery to predict the effect of helminth parasites on animals in the Otago harbour. Furthermore, this study showed that parasites play a big part in how predator and prey animals interact in the ecosystem, and how an increase in parasites could negatively affect animals through the food web. Additionally, 163 new host animals were discovered, and 23 new parasite species identified, some never before seen in New Zealand waters. So, why is this important? Understanding parasites is crucial for assessing the health of our environment, because parasites have a negative effect on their hosts. Understanding the baseline of what parasites are in the Otago Coastal Region will help scientists to understand changes in marine ecosystems by comparing parasite populations and species at different points in time. This may help scientists to spot warning signs of species decline or risk, helping to predict future ecosystem models. Without this data, we risk overestimating climate stability, especially with external factors such as climate change and disease outbreaks influencing animal populations. This study also forged vital links between species, laying the groundwork for future research and conservation efforts. Yet, parasites remain highly under-researched. More studies on identification of different parasites and their life cycles, desired hosts, and living conditions are necessary. We need more studies like this to unravel the mysteries of our natural world and safeguard its future.